Hi, I'm Lynn Rosen, and I'm interviewing Tofi Esadiki, the famous author.
Yay.
Now, Tofi, how does it feel to have you accomplished so much? And since first we wrote some books together, but that was we wrote together. You weren't on your own. Now you were independent.
Yeah.
How does it feel, first of all, to have published that magnificent cookbook? How do you feel as an author?
Let me say to you that this book is my baby. The first book I wrote myself, and
That's right.
I wrote about Moroccan cuisine, the secrets of Moroccan cuisine. And actually, I always planned to write this book as I'm a cook. I don't say I'm a chef, I don't say I'm...
You are a chef, you're a wonderful chef.
I was amateur. Now, after this book, I can say that I will be a chef, okay? So being a chef is not easy. You should be competent, you should know all the stuff about your ingredients, you should also know where this cuisine comes from, the history, and so on.
That's why I love the book, because it has the history.
Sure.
That's why I love this book.
Yes, so...
but how did it feel inside when you got the copy of the book? I saw your face, but they didn't. The audience didn't see your face.
I told you, it's a baby. How do you feel if you have a new baby in your house, in your, family? This is what I have been planning for a long time. Anyway, so this book refers to my country first. This book is kind of promoting my country. I love my country.
Cultural awareness.
Yeah, I have been here for almost 5-6 years. And since the first day I came here, I started cooking for you, especially for our guests, American guests, friends of ours who came here and just loved the dishes I prepared for them. And frankly, I never thought about publishing a book in this manner. But you, my baby, you encouraged me and you say, look, you are a good cook. You love your country. You are in a different culture. Why not write a book and promote your country, your dishes, and make it available for anyone, not only here in the US, but everyone around the world can know about your cuisine, Moroccan cuisine, and buy it. I didn't, believe me, I didn't plan to get any earnings the first time I thought of publishing it, but it was a passion. It was a...
That's right, passion. That's what writing is.
Burning desire to...
That's what writing does.
To let those people know about our Moroccan cuisine. And let me say one thing. Moroccan cuisine is not just like any cuisine. Moroccan cuisine dishes and meals are known all over the world. And just 2 years ago, Moroccan cuisine was ranked as second best cuisine in the world.
It's delicious. Okay.
Yeah. Let me say
enough with Morocco. Can we go into
my feeling, okay? So once I started cooking for us, especially for you, my beloved Lynn, and later on we invited American friends to come here, I felt like I had a duty. And it's serious. I said, Moroccan cuisine is ranked among the best cuisines, so let me do it. I had everything. I have videos, I have pics, and I thought about writing this book, but not just 1, 2, 3 writing. It took me 2 years to publish this book.
It's a wonderful book, and it's worth reading.
I thank you for being the one who encouraged me to put
my pleasure.
And you helped me with the editing, you helped me with everything. So I'm proud to publish this book, and thank you so much, my baby, for doing
my pleasure. Okay, everyone, that was just a celebrated author of Tofi's Moroccan Cookbook and other books to come. Let's
Yeah.
encourage him.
Can you talk about magical
We have
poems?
over 5 minutes already.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. So Tofik also published, I can't say, yes, he published a book. A lot of my poetry is in it. It was our poetry to each other.
Yeah.
You have 3 minutes to talk about it.
Yeah, this book, the second baby I have, is about magical poems, love story to poetry. And in fact, even this book is, as I put in the cover, magical poems, a love story to poetry by Taufik As-Sadiqi. In fact, it's not, this book wasn't only written by me, but my baby, Lynn. So I just want to say that we wrote it both, and the idea came to me. I'm the initiator of the title and of this book. So it's a kind of poems we wrote to each other. That's why it says a love story through poetry. Not all. Some of the poems Lynn wrote for me and I wrote for her.
A long time ago.
Expressing our love to each
Most
other.
of these poems were written years ago.
Yes, but I want to just say that it's a book written by Taufik and Lynn. The idea is Taufik. So
Okay.
I can't say more. You can check the link.
That's what I was going to say. You
For
can
my
check.
book.
And how about visiting the website, TofikLynn'sKids.com.
Yeah.
And you will, you can see all of our books there, at least the books that we, feel are appropriate to be there.
Yeah.
Yes, Tofik.
By the way, the copies are available on Amazon. There is a Kindle copy and paper hard copy and paper copy. And also, there is a Kindle copy on our website, taufiklynnskids.com/shop.
Oh, okay.
And
I didn't know.
For information, the Kindle copy we posted on our website is cheaper. You can have it at only
Okay.
$7.50. But the one on Amazon, it has a better quality, especially with the book cover and the editing. There was a good price too, and you can get both books, or you can buy only Kindle or only paper.
And you know what? It makes a great Christmas present.
Yeah. So that's it. I write with passion. I write for my baby. The cookbook was initiated.
Thank
by
you
my
very
baby.
much, Mr. Siddiqui.
Okay, you're welcome.
And it's been a pleasure interviewing you. Write another book so I can interview you again.
Love you.
Okay, bye.